In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to buy cryptocurrency on Kucoin. So in order to buy cryptocurrency on Kucoin, you just have to follow the steps. You just have to go and log in into your Kucoin account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and click on the asset that you wish to buy. So I'm going to go with the following trade button located right at the bottom, and when you press on it, it's going to take you to this page. So here you have to go ahead and click on the buy button and then select the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency that you wish to proceed on. And also make sure before you buy cryptocurrency on Kucoin, you have enough funds. Only then you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency on Kucoin. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and enter in amount, all that, and click on buy Bitcoin or the asset you're actually buying. And when you've confirmed your transaction, you just have to go and review all of the information and confirm it, and then you'll have successfully bought cryptocurrency on Kucoin. So that is how you can buy cryptocurrency on your Kucoin account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.